If you have a Bissell Little Green Clean Machine or similar spot cleaner, this right here will be a fix for a leaking handle when you use the spray nozzle, and we'll get this thing spraying like it's prom night. Hi, hello out there. This is Ryan for Silly Reviews. This here is my Bissell Little Green ProHeat machine, my spot cleaner. I've made several videos about this machine over the years. Recently, my handle started to leak solution when I would spray out of it. It only took 2 screws and a little prying to get the little plastic cover off of here, and it showed me this right here, this plastic connection, it broke where the water comes in. I used a little bit of super glue and then some pretty good quality hot glue to fix this. It wasn't complicated, it wasn't difficult. It held together, and it's right there as your weak point. I guess maybe one time I dropped the handle and it hit the ground, and I guess that was enough to make it start leaking everywhere there. But I put just some super glue on it to get it to hold in place, and then I really went crazy with the hot glue. And that's not your arts and crafts hot glue. It's a little bit better. It goes in that Ryobi cordless hot glue gun. But it has fixed my problem. I can report to you that my Bissell Little Green ProHeat spot cleaning machine no longer leaks. Check it out. And that is held up. I've cleaned the interior of 2 vehicles, and it is spraying like prom night. So good luck. I hope it helps. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.